everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's Cerise here, and for today's video I've been doing some research. I've been doing some more fucking research to find a dupe for the Jeffree Star Cosmetics Mystery Frost. Now I received this because I brought it secondhand off Trade Me. I did not get it in a mystery box because I could not get the mystery box because they sell it too quick. All these problems with the website, have not been able to get it, but I did get it. And it is amazing, and I thought for all the people that haven't got it, I'm going to find a Jeffree Star dupe for you guys so you can enjoy it yourself. Now I've gone through every single Skin Frost to try and dupe this, and these are the closest colors I have come up with. So I've tried so freaking hard, to dupe this, and these are the closest I can get. There is no exact match, but there's pretty close ones, so I'm excited. I'm excited. Alright, so I'm just going to swatch it and put it on the back of my hand here. So that is the color there. Then I'm going to get the browner shade, the darker gold. The darker gold that's in it. And I'm just going to swatch her there. So you can see the different shades like so. And then I'm going to mix them both together and swatch that shade. Sweet. I think now what I'll do is I'll zoom you on in so you can actually see what's going on. But I've swatched the initial palette on my hand. Alright, so now we're going to get super technical with this. I told you, I did my freaking research, guys. So this is the initial color here. These are the three colors we are trying to match. I've got three I kind of think are a match here. Let's put her over here. So, let's start with the 24 Karat Skin Frost Pro palette. So I'm going to open her up, and the one that speaks to me, I'm like, if I can get this everywhere. The one that speaks to me is Liberis. I feel like Liberis is going to match this middle shade here. Now this is like a very glittery formula, as you can see, but I am going to be trying Liberis to see if it matches. Now, I tried Summer Snow Cone. It was nowhere near even on the same level. So this is the closest match that I can find to this. And there's Liberis there. And as you can see, it's not even a close match. Like, it's got like the same kind of sheen, but it is not a super close match. Like, it's like very yellow toned instead of gold. Alright, so that was my match for this middle shade. Now, we'll start with this one. This is Peach Goddess. Now, Peach Goddess actually looks a lot like this one. I did try Eclipse as well, and it didn't really suit this one. This was the closest matching one. I tried like Siberian Gold, I tried all of them, it just did not work. So let's try this shade here. So that is Princess Cut, and as you can see, it's so similar. Like, it wants to so bad, but it is very like just the most tiniest bit off, but it is probably the closest you're gonna get to the palest shade. Then for the last one, I found Siberian Gold. Now, this one I feel like is the closest one to this one. I did try King Tut, I did try Sarcophagus as well, and that just did not match. So this to me was the closest matching one that I could find. So let's put her on here. And you can even see it doesn't even have the right tone. It's nearly the same, but definitely does not have that right tone there. Like, the two shades together is much more golden. I feel like if you did mix up the shades a bit differently, you probably would find that on there, but yeah. So I think what I'm going to do on my face is I'm actually going to try, because they are the closest ones that I could find, I'm going to try Peach Goddess, and I'm going to try the lightest shade out of the Mystery Frost here, because that is the only one that I can get a pretty much match for. So we'll see how it looks on the face. So unfortunately, all the other shades did not match up, except Peach Goddess, and the lightest shade here seems like it could potentially be a match. That is the only thing. So the only thing to do, because that is the closest swatching thing you can get. So the last thing I'm going to do, I can't even speak, I'm so excited. I'm going to swatch the mystery shade on this side of my face, and then I'm going to put Peach Goddess on the other side to see if it is. I guess this counts as one of the exactly the sames. Are they exactly the same? The other colours in the Mystery Frost are not exactly the same though, so that's that. So this is Peach Goddess here. Oh, see, I feel like it's a very close contender, but I feel like Peach Goddess is just a little bit on the icy side. I've put a lot on. How do they look? Oh! very, very similar, very, very similar. I've definitely put a lot of Peach Goddess on, so I'm going to try and just mute that a little bit by taking off some of that excess on there. But, I honestly feel like Peach Goddess is the closest shade to the Mystery Frost. Even though they look not even the same, they don't look identical at all, but you can see there it's the only one on the face that looks pretty much the same. And when you do swatch them, I'm going to swatch them again for you, side by side this time. Let's swatch that one. When you do swatch them side by side, they are the closest, but you can see that the Mystery Frost is a little bit of a golder sheen to it, which you can kind of make out on the face. But yes, after all my research to find which one is the same, Peach Goddess is the closest one to the lightest point only. If you do mix it together, it has no dupe, and if you do just want the gold, there is no dupe to that either. Which I think is really awesome that he has created a shade that is nothing alike to the others. I have done multiples of, you'll see in the playlist somewhere around here, that I have done multiple of these videos, and a lot of them are pretty much exactly the same. So it's very cool that he has done a Mystery Frost that's not alike to any others except just pretty much one, except it's a bit more of a goldy tone compared to an icy tone. But yeah, when I was looking at them all, I honestly didn't think that Peach Goddess would be the closest one to it, because Peach Goddess is a very peachy tone. Hi. So I was just very surprised when I was swatching them all on my arm, and I was like, oh, hold up, that's the closest one. When I was thinking it would be Sarcophagus or something when I actually did my initial review. So super stoked. Peach Goddess, if you have Peach Goddess, you kind of don't need the Mystery Frost, but if you can get your hands on the Mystery Frost, I would recommend it, just because it is so uniquely stunning. And if you are a makeup collector or anything, and I don't know, it's just the cutest wee baby. It's the cutest wee bean. I wish I could see how they pressed them in, because I feel like they just like kind of tie-dyed it in. And the black is so interesting as well. Like, I don't know, I just think it's a really, really cool thing. So yeah, hopefully you guys enjoyed this video of me trying to find the dupe to the Mystery Frost. So yeah, hopefully you guys enjoyed this video, and if you did, please give me a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe, and do you guys have the Mystery Frost? Let me know in the comments down below. Or do you have Peppermint Frost? That is the thing that I really need. I need that freaking palette, the Peppermint Frost. I need it. I'm trying to find it, and when I do, you'll be getting a review straight away, I promise. But until next time, I love you guys so much, and I'll see you on the next one.